Welcome to the second dive of my Curacao 2022 trip, Watamula. To begin the dive, we dropped down about 20 feet. At first I noticed many gorgonian corals. This would be a great snorkel for any snorkelers out there. Seen here along the rock are some fire coral. I then saw this green juvenile sea turtle. It let me get a really close-up video of it, meaning it's probably used to divers and snorkelers. Seen along beside the coral, I noticed an orange-spotted filefish. Continuing on the dive, a large school of blue tang passes by. I then saw this small filefish trying to blend in with the orange coral. I then noticed this school of fish swarming something. There's then a trumpet fish with a school of blue tang in the background. I then got closer to the school of blue tang and noticed a couple trumpet fish in the school with them. Along this fire coral, there were a couple bristleworms resting on top of it. I then saw this huge porcupine fish along the reef. Here's a trumpet fish swaying along with the current. As I continued on the dive, I noticed these large coral mounds. I looked into one of the mounds and I noticed a spotted moray eel. Looking into the deep blue ocean, there were green chromis, and in the distance were a school of fish. I spotted another trumpet fish looking into the coral. Towards the end of the dive, there were lots of patches of sand with scattered gorgonian coral. I then saw another porcupine fish swimming through the sea. Seen here in the distance is another filefish. This is the largest filefish of the day. Before heading to the safety stop, I noticed this large green moray eel. This was a great way to end the dive. Right before we went up to the surface, I noticed a conch shell on some moundy looking coral.